Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW guys. It could be any model, year, generation. Doesn't matter if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 series, X1 through X7 guys. If you're burning engine oil, stay with us, we'll explain a simple way to fix that without getting your hands dirty. There are three things that cause burning engine oil. One of them is quite common on high mileage vehicles. The other one, if the car didn't have the correct maintenance, could happen as well. And the third one, it eventually comes because when the engine gets worn quite a bit, it will cause wear and tear that you can actually reverse to some degree. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we guys try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. With that being said, let's explain what we have specifically here. BMW 528i guys. Now, if you experience increased oil consumption, one thing that can cause that is a PCV system that does not work correctly. Bad PCV valve, dirty PCV valve can start pumping engine oil in the practically guys in the intake manifold. From there the car can be burning quite a bit of oil. Number two, it could be bad valve seals, and that's where the rescue comes. If you have bad valve seals guys, motor oil saver is the way to go. That additive is simply amazing. Let me tell you how skeptical I was about oil additives. I never believed in them, anything like that. But Liqui Moly is a brand that I've been using for a long time, and it's one of my favorite oils as well. Use it all the time guys. Right there we have the green Liqui Moly as well, you can see it's amazing stuff. Now, we use the engine flush. That's the first time I give an oil, an additive like that a try. Use it on a Porsche Cayenne with almost 200,000 miles, and when we open the valve covers, the engine looked amazing. It looked like it had probably less than 50,000 miles. So that's when I became a believer in Liqui Moly additives. Then I tried motor oil saver guys on a car with valve seals that were worn, and that thing will actually swallow the gaskets a little bit, make them flexible again, so it reduces oil leaks. If you have oil leaks, it can fix them to some degree and even all the way, and it reduces the oil consumption quite a bit and makes your engine nice, smooth and quiet running engine. Another thing guys, on your vehicles we always try to use this one. This is guys, the Ceratec. It prevents engine wear and tear. It can reduce the engine wear by 34%. It's amazing additive by the way, and it makes your engine super nice and quiet as well. But if you're burning engine oil, motor oil saver is the way to go. And also number three, you can be burning engine oil through the piston rings. Dirty piston rings oil rings can cause oil burning as well. And doing the engine flush between oil changes, when you do an oil change, use the engine flush. It can actually guys, make your car to be super quiet as well, not using engine oil, and clean the interior of your engine, practically the inside of it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.